Hi everyone and welcome to our unboxing today. So today is a very special one and we're doing an early reveal for our March Glambox, which is an exclusive Soap and Glory box. So let me show you like the sleeve, and it's so pretty. You can just see this is the sleeve for our March box. So this time we're gonna have everything is going to be Soap and Glory products, and I'm a huge fan of Soap and Glory. All their products smell fruity, they smell amazing. The packaging is the best part. It's very fun and pretty.
Yeah.
So let's get started with the products.
Okay. So I am really excited about this March box, and my friends know this because I've been telling them, those who are not subscribed yet, I've been telling them to subscribe for March because it's gonna be amazing. I'm not telling them yet what the products are, but they're gonna know now.
They're gonna know now, yeah.
I'm gonna start with the main products that we'll be having for March. So let me just tell you guys that for all those feedback that you've been giving us regarding the sizes of the products, we're working really hard to give you like bigger sizes. And I think it's gonna show on the March box. So you will receive, it's huge and it's heavy. Your box is gonna be heavy. I don't know if it's gonna be a kilo or something. So we will have Soap and Glory has launched a new hair care product range. So I think it's the first hair care range that they'll be having. They actually just launched it third week of January, if I'm not mistaken, in the UK. So we have like the privilege, you guys, to get your hands on
these
this
fabulous
new
products,
and very fresh products from Soap and Glory. So we will be having 3 types of shampoo and conditioner, okay? And I have 2 samples here. The other one, okay, I'm just gonna tell you about the first one. So we have shampoo and conditioner. It's called Pink Big. So this one is for flat hair. So they said that if you'll use it, you'll notice a difference with the volume of your hair, which I am excited about because as you can see, my hair is really flat and sometimes it looks lifeless. But I'm excited to use this. I really do. The other one is for curly hair.
It's cool.
The other one is for curly hair. And I've been talking to a couple of subscribers, and mostly when I ask them what is the type of your hair, they always tell me that they have curly hair. So this one, guys, is for you. And just make sure that you fill out your beauty profile because again, we've heard your feedback, so we will do our best this month to customize your box based on your beauty profile. So the other one, there's gonna be another type of shampoo and conditioner, which is for dull and frizzy hair, I guess. So it smoothens out your hair. And I must tell you guys, it smells really good. Like
it smells really, really good. And the fact that this time, I guess, like, you know, you girls are gonna be happy because you're gonna have customized shampoos for curly hair, for straight hair. Even if you have like flat hair and you want it to be more with volume, we have that range. So we'll do our best, like Sarah mentioned.
And another thing I liked with Soap and Glory and with this shampoo, it's paraben free. And it's safe for colored hair. Someone just asked me earlier actually if she said, but I have colored hair. And I just told her that it's fine. It's safe. It's completely safe for colored hair. It's not gonna ruin the color of your hair in any way. So do not worry about that. And you'll get both one shampoo and one conditioner on your box plus other products. So this is really worth subscribing for those of you who aren't subscribing. So aside from this 2 shampoo, you're gonna get another full-size product, which is cosmetics. You will get this one.
Mascara, yeah.
So it's the Thick and Fast mascara from, of course, Soap Glory. And I use it now. I don't have that much eyelashes on me. I don't know, because genetics. But when I use this, it's really dark, like it's jet black.
Yeah.
So you know that your eyelashes stands out when it's darker.
Darker,
because,
yeah.
Because it gives that effect that you have more eyelashes, fuller eyelashes, longer eyelashes. So I really like this one. And
I'm actually excited to try that one.
Yeah, everyone will get this as well on their boxes.
Okay, so apart from these 3 full-size products that you girls will receive, let's talk about the first one. And I already tried this, by the way. This is the Split Happens Conditioning Styling Oil. So now what I like about this is that it says it sort of protects your split ends, which is amazing. And I did try it and it doesn't feel sticky, you know, like some hair oils are very sticky and your hair just looks very flat. So this doesn't do that. It smells amazing. It smells like flowers and, you know, it's like very pretty. And other than that, it says it has moringa seed oil. I think that's just for like conditioning so your hair. You can even use this even if you haven't styled your hair or heated your hair, like you straightened your hair, you can use it after your hair is like blow dried or just wet, like semi dry. You can just put it on so it just looks more shinier, more smoother. So I'm actually more excited to get this next month.
Me too.
Although just like try a bit. So if some of you girls don't receive this product, you will get this one, which is what I'm more curious to try this time. It's called the Control Sleek by Soap Glory. Now what this hair product is that you apply it basically before you straighten your hair, and I think after that you go over the cream like I think probably 8 times or something with the straightener, and they claim that it will last up to 8 washes. So basically your hair will stay straight
even if you wash it?
Even if you wash it. So they say frizz control for 8 washes. They have it right here. So that's what it does, and I've never come across a product like this. I know there are treatments out there that says, like, you know, people try keratin and Botox, but this is one of the first kind of smoothing creams I've seen in Dubai anyway. So I've never come across this. So I'm really excited to try this because I always wear my hair flat, and I think this is more affordable than keratin or any sort of straightening treatments in the salon, and it's kind of okay. You do it once a week.
Yeah, the fact
it's
that
not a lot of
lasts
commitment.
8 washes is amazing.
So you girls will get either this or this one. So the last product in our Soap and Glory box is this one, and I am excited to try this one because I have really oily skin. So this is the Fab Pore Refining Mask. Now you actually put it on for like 15 to 20 minutes, just like any other sheet mask. But what's different about it is that it claims that it sort of blots the oil out, and also your pores look more minimized after you use it. So I think this is a great one, not only if you want to like cleanse your face, but right before, you know, you do your makeup and you want like finer pores, like this more minimized. This is like the perfect one. So all you girls are going to get this fabulous mask. So I think we have a lot of questions today. Let me just scroll through until then and see what all we have. Wow, we have a lot of love today, a lot of questions.
Yeah, and while I look at the questions, no, I can see it from here. Let me just say that what I like about the March box, it's like a complete set because there is hair care, there is cosmetics, there is skincare. So it's like a total pamper for us guys. And we're really thankful for Soap and Glory and Boots for letting us try this once.
Okay, so we have a couple of girls like Jazz and Mercury, and I think I saw a couple more questions where I think they have the questions about the shampoo, like how would we know if you have curly hair or straight hair. So basically when you subscribe onto Glambox, you get the opportunity to fill out a beauty profile that lets you choose if you have curly hair or straight hair. So based on this information is what we send you for like the shampoo. So whenever you subscribe, just make sure to mention, you know, what's your hair type, and based on that we will try our level best to customize the shampoos. So that's...
Yeah, just make sure your beauty profile is updated, because you may have been subscribed like a long time ago when you still have straight hair, and then suddenly you change your mind and got curly hair. So just make sure to log into your profile and check your beauty profile, update it and save it. So we'll know and we can give you the perfect shampoo and conditioner that suits your hair.
So much love from everybody. Thank you so much for watching. We still have a few more questions, I think, towards the bottom. So Noor SR says, does it smell like coconut? Yes.
There is one range. They have different smells, but this one, the one for the curly hair, it says here enriched with coconut extract and honey.
And honey, yeah.
And I can tell you guys that it smells like coconut.
Yeah. She's a huge fan, by the way.
It smells really good. The other ones are, it smells like, this one has pomegranate, so it smells a little bit fruity.
Yeah. Yeah, very tropical.
Very fresh.
Very tropical.
I love it.
So L Hain12 says, I miss receiving Glambox every month. We wish you would subscribe for this one. This is the best one to come back to.
Yeah, I think this is the right time for you to
join back
again,
yeah.
Because as you can see, it's one of the best box ever that we will have.
So I guess that's all the questions we have for today, and we really appreciate all the love today. We've had so much people just like joined in to watch. If you have any questions about the box, make sure to DM us, and one of us will respond back. You can also call us or leave us an email. And if you're wondering what kind of offer we have right now, we have a 40% off 6 months. That's a current offer, and I think it's going to end in the next 3 days. The code is SGBX, so if you find that hard to remember, it will be there on our stories, on our website, banners, everywhere. And other than that, we're also there to help you. Yeah. So until then, until next time.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
Bye.